Oh my god, I have today such a big news for you. Yes, Angelina Jolie joined Tom Ford beauty campaign. Yes, Angelina Jolie, she's gonna be a first celebrity who joins this campaign. It's amazing. Yes, in this video I'm gonna show you 18 lipstick from Tom Ford. We're gonna gossip a little bit. I will swatch, I will try. I'm gonna show you everything here. Let me show you how beautiful this lipstick, this beautiful details here, Tom Ford here logo on the top. It's very expensive to make this, I will say, details on the lipstick. Then also, look at how pretty this is. We have also Tom Ford logo on the lipstick. It's a rich pigment lipstick. It's have conditioner here. It's so beautiful and gorgeous. Anyone who will give me a lipstick for Tom Ford, I will be always happy. I will always wanna use this lipstick because I have a beautiful formula and they're so lovely. Okay, let me show you, let me swatch this beautiful lipstick. Again, I have 18 colors for you. We're gonna start with first color, number 13. It's color split, beautiful pale pink color. First color, it's color slip number 13. It's a beautiful soft pinky color. It's almost my lips, but like I like to say, a little bit better. Another soft nude color. It's a Spanish pink, and I feel, yes, looks pinky nude color, but have little bit more peachy compared to slip. Let me show you these two colors together. Again, yeah, slip it definitely have a little bit more pinky, and this one it's Spanish pink. Number one, it's more definitely nude peachy pink color. I need to try, and I love how this lipstick smells. It's not strong power smell, it's very mild, and you will not feel, I will say, like fragrancy or perfumey this lipstick on your lips. Ta-ta! Okay, let's try. I love this color. I like choose this color, but I think Spanish pink I like a little bit more. I love this little bit peachy undertone. Comments below, please let me know which one do you like. Do you like slip or you like Spanish pink? Next color, it's color stunner. It's a beautiful warm undertone brown color. Let's try. Oh yeah, color stunner. It is pretty, and you can see it is brown, warm brown color. Love this color. Color Stunner number 11, beautiful warm brown color, little bit like a brick undertone, but I think this is color so pretty on me. What do you think? This is color 69 9 mauve. This is color Night Mauve, beautiful rich mauve color. It's a perfect color for fall. Number 17, color Understated, and it's really hard to find color like this. It looks like it's a cool brown color. Ooh, I need to try. This is color Understated. Again, it's a cool brown color. Little bit, I think it's deep on me. I'm not sure if I like this color or not. Please let me know in the comments below, do you like this color or not? And if you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome to Katya Beauty Style channel. Love you more than ice cream. Please subscribe, I need your help. And in my channel, I am teaching you how to look beautiful and fabulous I'm makeup artist. I still working for Nordstrom, 20 years experience, but I teaching you how to use makeup, how to use brushes, what product to use, and also I'm reviewing lots of lipsticks. Okay, let's continue. Let me show you now another color. Which one is will be more warm brown? This is color, it's West Coast. This is a pretty sure brand new color. Let's try. I hope you can see a difference. I truly see West Coast, it's definitely a little bit have more warm undertone. First color, it's right here, it's understated, and another, it's West Coast. I know, so many people want to see this lip color. It's Casablanca. It's a new Casablanca. I'm interested. New formula and old formula will be the same or not? Definitely it's not. Formula is different and colors will be the same or not? Colors, girls, it's not the same. I look everywhere. I knew I have a big size Casablanca lipstick, but I can't find. But I found mini one. I swatch and I'm a little bit disappointed because colors, it's not the same. New Casablanca color have little bit more blue undertone. Let me show you. Okay, I try. I don't see a big difference. Maybe little bit. It's like 9.9. They almost the same colors. Little bit again blue undertone, but this is little sample I have for at least for 1 year, and color may little bit change. I don't see again huge difference. They feels actually the same. They looks to me almost the same. And believe me or not, it's my #1 selling lip color from Tom Ford. You can't go wrong with this color. I love Casablanca. Another nude color, and this one color, it looks like a beige brown, I will say nude color. It's a Sable Smoke #14. Oh, I remember this color. I think I have this lip color already in my collection. Okay, let's try. I think it's a little bit too light for me, or I maybe need different makeup. What do you think? Comments below. Love you more than ice cream, and let's continue. I have another new color for you. It's color Dolce. Oh, I like this color. It's a beautiful rich brown color. Oh, and again, I love this formula. So lovely. My lips feel so good. Color 80 Impassioned. This is color Impassioned. Beautiful, I will say like a brown, red, a little bit maybe even like a wine. It's hard to describe this color, but it's so pretty. And also, come to see me at Nordstrom Tampa. I'll put all products in my link below. Sometimes lipstick sold out online, but it's still available in my store. Remember, I work for Nordstrom. You can reach me on my Instagram, Katya Beauty Style. Tell me, Katerina, I want this lipstick. I will send you home. It's free shipping, and I always put a nice, beautiful gifts. I love next color. It's on repeat. Beautiful soft color, looks like a little bit rosy with slightly little bit orange undertone, but let's try. I really want to see this lip color on my lips. I love this color. I definitely love this color on repeat. It's very hard to describe for me this color because I do see a little bit rosy here. I do see here a little bit more corally and even a little bit orange, but I knew it looks soft, it looks pretty, and I feel this lip color, you can't go wrong. This is your, I will say, morning, day, or even night nighttime color. It's not too light, it's not too dark. It's a beautiful soft color. I would say it's a perfect everyday lip color. This is color front page. This is color front page. Such a beautiful color. This is color Runaway Rose, and you know what I think about, guys? Sometimes like some brands create lipstick and they all look the same. I feel Tom Ford did a good job. Oh my god, I love this Runaway Rose color. This is again will be my perfect everyday color. This is color number 15, Wild Ginger. Oh, looks like a true orange color. Wow, I do not wear much color like this, but I think it's pretty. Please let me know, do you like this wild ginger color? I'll say wild orange color on me or not. Color in white only. I'm inviting everyone to subscribe my YouTube channel. I really wanna grow my YouTube channel. Please help me. Love you more than ice cream. It's a lot of lipstick I'm swatching for you. I need your help. Okay, let's try. This is in white only. This is its color Cherry Lush number 10, and this looks like a red blue. Usually blue lipstick I feel looks better on me than like orange red color. Let's see. Oh yes, I like this. What do you think? Do you like this color or not? Again, it is rosy red color. I like it. And now finally let's try this Angelina Jolie lip color, Scarlet Rouge. I can see hundreds and hundreds of people coming and asking for this lip color. But let's see, did it really go this or no? It's not your true red color for sure. It's more like a orangey red, deep orangey red. What do you think? Do you like this color or not? I think it looks very classy and elegant on me. Let me know, comments below. And I have one more. The darkest color in this formula, in this collection. Let's try. Oh my god, look at this color. It's different. It looks almost black. Let's try, because I think it's gonna look totally different on my lips what me and you expected. Wow. This is color, it's surprising me. I love this color. It's different. Usually I'm never wearing these colors, but I think it looks gorgeous and beautiful on me. Fall it's coming, Halloween it's coming, and I think I need this color in my life. What do you think? I hope you have a good time with me. Love you more than ice cream. Please subscribe. I do need your help, and I will see you in my next video.